What if I told you the most attractive men don't chase women? They don't blow up her phone. They don't beg for attention. They don't even try that hard. Instead, women chase them. Sounds impossible. It's not. Because attraction isn't about luck. It's about psychology. And today I'm revealing 5 powerful hacks to flip the script and make her chase you. Welcome back to the untold truth. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, the power of mystery. Here's the first secret. Women chase what they don't fully understand. Think about it. When someone is an open book, predictable, easy to figure out, you lose interest quickly. But when there's mystery, your mind starts racing, trying to solve the puzzle. That's exactly how you make a woman chase you. By not revealing everything at once. Instead of oversharing your life story on the first date, hold some details back. Instead of updating her on every move you make, let her wonder what you're doing. The less she knows, the more her imagination fills in the blanks. And trust me, her imagination will always make you more exciting than you actually are. A man who is mysterious is a man worth the chasing. Hack number 2, the curiosity gap. Closely tied to mystery is something psychologists call the curiosity gap. It's the space between what someone knows and what they want to know. And that gap drives people crazy until they close it. Here's how you use it. Say something intriguing, but don't finish the story. For example, something really wild happened to me last weekend, but I'll tell you later. Now her brain is stuck. She has to know what happened. You just created tension. When you leave breadcrumbs instead of the whole loaf, she leans in. She asks more. She texts first. She chases the answers. The curiosity gap is addictive, and once you master it, you'll always have her attention. Hack number 3, social proof. Here's the harsh truth. Women don't but just look at you. They look at how the world reacts to you. If other women find you attractive, desirable, or valuable, she'll start seeing you the same way. That's social proof. It's why celebrities, no matter how average looking, have fans screaming for them. It's why the guy surrounded by friends at a party instantly looks more interesting than the loner in the corner. You can create social proof without being famous. Post pictures where you're having fun with friends. Mention other people appreciating your work, humor, or style. Or simply be seen as someone other people respect. When she sees that others value you, her instincts kick in. If everyone else wants him, maybe I should too. And suddenly, she's chasing you. Not because of just you, but because of the way the world sees you. Hack number 4, challenge her ego. This one is huge. Most guys make the mistake of putting women on a pedestal, acting like she's the prize. But when you do that, you're just like every other man begging for her attention. If you want her to chase you, flip the script, challenge her ego. Be the guy who doesn't fall for her looks instantly. Be the one who's not impressed by her usual tricks. Instead of saying, "You're so beautiful," say, "Yeah, you look nice today. But let's see if you can actually keep up with me." You're not insulting her. You're playfully challenging her. You're saying, "I'm not like the others. You're going to have to earn me." And that is powerful, because once her ego is on the line, she'll start chasing you just to prove she can win you over. Hack number 5, make her invest emotionally. Here's the final hack, and it's the most powerful of all. People value what they invest in. If she invests time, effort, or emotions into you, she is going to chase harder because her mind wants to want that effort to go to waste. So don't be the one doing all the chasing. Instead, create situations where she invests in you. Ask for her advice and genuinely listen. Let her plan the date sometimes. Make her put in effort to earn your attention. Each little investment she makes builds attachment. And before you know it, she's the one chasing, texting first, asking when she'll see you next, and trying to keep your interest. Remember, obsession isn't born from what you give. It's born from what she puts in. Now, here's the truth. When you use these 5 hacks together, something amazing happens. You become mysterious, unpredictable, and valuable. She gets curious, invested, and competitive. And slowly, she starts chasing you without even realizing why. That's the power of psychology. But a word of warning, don't use this to play games or hurt people, because the same tricks that make someone chase you can also make them hate you if abused. So use them wisely. Use them to create attraction, not to destroy trust. Because the ultimate truth is this: being chased isn't about manipulation. It's about becoming the kind of man who doesn't need to chase. This was the untold truth. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, sometimes the smartest move you can make is letting them come to you.